In this video, I will show you how can you see what is written in any QR code. You can see here I have got a QR code and I now want to see what is written on this QR code and how can I find the address or password what is written in this QR code. For finding something what is written on a QR code, you have to simply take a screenshot of this QR code. You can see here I have take a screenshot, and after taking a screenshot you have to simply come here on your Google. You can see here I have come here my Google. You have to simply come go your Google. After come here, you can see here I have come here my Google, and then you can see here camera icon. You have to simply click here camera icon. After clicking here camera icon, you can see here there I got my screenshot. I have to simply click on it. After clicking on it, you can see here this is a QR code of Facebook. You can see here the QR code of my profile. You can see here if I click here the website I will can visit in my Facebook profile. You can see here copy URL and share option. But if you put here some password QR code, you will able to see here a password of the QR code. So that's how you can see something what is written in your QR code. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me to my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.